Hey everyone, welcome to the channel The Technical Fist. I am Sheikh Wasim and today we are going to learn about string functions in PHP. So let's start. We know that collection of characters is called string. So today we are going to see all the string functions, some of the commonly used string functions. So open a file and save this. Save it to your XAMPP htdocs. So in previous video we created PHP library, we will be saving over here. So let me save this with a string functions.php with the relevant name, and let's start the PHP and close the PHP over here. So let's take a variable like $var1 and define the value in this. Let me define a character A. This is a single character variable. Let me take var2 and define in this something, the technical fist. So this is not character, this is a string. We all know that to show this string we have to do echo or print, right? So let's show this var2 and let's go to the front end and see how it will be shown in the front end. So we'll write localhost/php_library where we are saving the PHP files, and you can see my newly created file is here, string functions.php. Let's click on this and see. Here it appears the technical fist which we have echoed in the PHP file. So let's open back the PHP file. This is the var2. So let's change cut the from here and replace a from the. So for displaying these both the variables, the technical fist and the, let's take one more variable first. Let me take $var a and let me define some text over here like learn PHP. Okay, in this case we have to show all the three variables here. So for that, what we'll do, we will write $var a and then with dot we'll combine next variable dot, and then we'll write next variable we have to show var1, and then again the next variable, that is var2. So this will show all the variables back to the next one. Let's refresh and see. You can see learn PHP, then there is here and technical fist, but there is no gap between this. So to put the gap, if you are thinking that we will put this like a space and there is a gap, this is not the case. You are wrong. So to put the gap, what we have to do, we have to write a string between of these two variables, and a string is defined in double inverted commas. So we'll do like this. You can see here I am writing here double inverted commas and then dot, and then I'll put the space between those double inverted commas, and when you will see the gap is appeared, you can see there is gap. So let's differentiate more. You can also only not put the gap, you can also put anything else. Let me put here dash, and then let's see this. You can see dash is appearing now, looking great. So this is the string to show how we can show more strings in one echo. So one function to show next line, we have to put br slash over here in double inverted commas. Do remember, this will make you to the next line of our string. So let me write one more line and show you, does it appears in the next line or not. So let's save this, go to the front end, and you can see hi, this next line is appearing in the next line, not with this. So br slash is generally used in PHP to show the string from the above one to the next line. Like in C or C++ you might be using /n, here it is not used. Let's clear this and see some of the string functions. Let me remove more Okay, let me define this name to 1, and now the technical fist is here. Okay, so we'll be seeing now string functions, what we can do. So to count the length of the technical fist, if we have to count the length of this, what we will do, we will write the function of a string called strlen, string length. This is called a string length function, strlen, and when we will pass the variable in this will show the length of the characters it has. It will count each and every character. Let's echo this. Let's save this and see in front end how much it counts. It shows 18. That means the counting of each and every character it has done. That is THE space TCHINICAL space FIST. It has counted each and every characters and shown the length. So let's rectify more. I'll be writing in front of strlen some characters combining so that it must be understandable. You can understand in more easy way. Length of a string is, so this will rectify somehow to look better. Yeah, length of a string is 18. So I'll be writing this in each and every comparison. So what are the next function? We can also count the number of words inside this variable, like the technical fist. There are 3 words. Let's see how it is. There is a function called, let me first put the br slash. Okay, so there is a function called string word count. It's written str underscore word underscore count. This is the function, and when we'll pass the variable in this which contains a string, it will count the words in the string. So let's see this, echo this, and let me write something more here first. I'll write total words in var1 is this. Okay, let's see how much it shows. Refresh this and it shows 3, and that's right. This is showing the, technical and fist. These 3 words are counted and shown. So let's move to the next function. First let me put the break over here so that there might be no confusion in showing line by line the function's result. Okay, so the next function is to reverse the string. What you will do, there is a function in PHP predefined called strrev. So this is strrev function which will reverse the string. Let me pass the variable here and let's echo and say this. Let me write more words here, like this is reverse of string. So this will be reversed and shown. Let us go to the front end and refresh this. So you can see the technical fist is reversed at its place, like THE technical is also reversed and fist is also reversed. So fist from the back is also come to the, so this is the function strrev which reverses the string. Let's move to the next function. Let me write one more break over here for the result of next line. Okay, so the next string function is to find the string position. How I will know that what is the position of technical? Let me write some more words. It will be more clear to you. Strings in the technical fist. Okay, so there are so many words and also characters. Suppose I have to find a PHP in this function, that what is the location of PHP? We'll write that function string position. It is strpos, and when we'll pass the variable inside this, this shows that where we have to find in variable 1 and what we have to find. Like let me find something. I have to find a PHP, then it will find PHP in var1, means var1 has lots of characters and words, so it will find PHP in var1. So let's see how it appears. Echo this. Let me write some more helping words. like the position of PHP string is at this. Okay, let's save this and go to the front end and refresh this. You can see it is showing 17. It is counting each and every character, and the character is starting from 0. It is going too far, 17. Let me replace this PHP with R. You might be knowing very clearly about this. You can see 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4th is the position of R. Let's refresh and it is showing 4. Yeah, that's it. It shows basically the position where R is starting. So let's put one more break here. So now what we have to replace any string in the length of characters. So the next string function is string replace. Suppose we have to replace any text in the string, we will write the function called str_replace, which will be used to replace any word or character in the string. Suppose you can replace anything over the variable. Suppose we have to write, let's delete this first. Okay, suppose I have to replace PHP from this. So first we'll write PHP, that will be replaced, and second parameter will pass with what it will be replaced. Like I'm writing here PHP_tutorial. PHP tutorial will replace PHP, and the third parameter will be what is the string, that is where we have to replace, that is var1. So I'll be the pass var1. There are 3 parameters you have to pass over a string replace. First is what will be replaced, and second parameter will be with what it will be replaced, and in the variable 1. Let's echo this and let's write more helping words over here, and when you'll see the answer you'll be more clear over that. Let's save this. You can see here you are learning PHP tutorial. You can see PHP tutorial is appearing in place of PHP. You can see here PHP and it has been replaced with PHP tutorial. So that it is doing. PHP tutorial is replacing PHP, and the function helpful is strreplace. Let's add another example, that is fist. I'll replace fist with fist at YouTube. So fist will be replaced with fist at YouTube. Let's go to the front end and see, and you might be more clear now that it is replacing the text or the word we are writing over here. Like fist is replaced with the fist at YouTube. And that is, I think you are clear over this with the string replacing function. So that's it. Let's summarize what we have learned. We have learned string length, which counts length of a string. So second function we learned string word count, which counts the word and gives you the result. Third is string reverse, which reverses the string. Fourth function was string position, which found the position of character starting from or word in the string. So last we have learned string replace, which replaces the string in any variable that consists of string. So these are the functions of PHP. That's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video and learned more about the string functions. There are lots of string functions in PHP. I'll be giving in the description all the string functions. Go through the string functions and show me the best result you liked in the string functions in PHP. Hit like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.